Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to teach you how to convert a decimal into an equivalent fraction. All right, so here we have the decimal 42 hundredths. Okay, I want to write that decimal as a fraction in lowest terms. Okay, so really there's a three-step process to do this. Okay, step number one, okay, is you write the decimal as a fraction over 1. Okay, so let me show you what that looks like. Come over here and grab a marker or a pen. Okay, so we're going to write this as over 1, just like this. Okay, then what you do is you look at the decimal in the numerator. Okay, and you say how many digits are there to the right of the decimal. So notice we have 2 digits. We have a 4, okay, and a 2. So for each digit you multiply by 10. So we're going to multiply by 10 and 100. So I'm going to add a 0. So that's times 10, and that's times 100, right? And I'm going to move this decimal over 2 spots. So times 10 and times 100. So now we have 42 over 100. So 42 100ths is an equivalent fraction, okay? And sometimes you're done, but notice 42 and 100 are both even. So we can simplify this because I know 42 and 100 have a greatest common factor of 2. And when I do that, we end up with 42 divided by 2 is 21. And 100 divided by 2 is 50. So our final answer is 21/50.